Embracing autumn, creative harvest decor ideas to bring nature indoors. Introduction: celebrating the beauty of autumn. Welcome to the Decor channel. As the leaves begin to change and the air turns crisp, autumn invites us to celebrate its rich colors and bountiful harvests. In this video, we will explore creative ways to bring the beauty of nature indoors, transforming our living spaces into warm, inviting havens that reflect the spirit of the season. From vibrant hues of orange and gold to earthy tones of brown and green, autumn offers a stunning palette to work with. We'll discuss unique decor ideas that incorporate natural elements, ensuring your home feels cozy and welcoming. If you enjoy these tips and ideas, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below to share your favorite autumn decor inspirations. Embracing natural textures. One of the most effective ways to capture the essence of autumn is through the use of natural textures. Think about incorporating materials like burlap, wood, and stone into your decor. For instance, using burlap table runners can add a rustic charm to your dining table, while wooden accents, such as reclaimed wood trays or candle holders, can evoke a warm, earthy feel. Stone elements, whether in the form of decorative bowls or coasters, can also enhance the organic aesthetic. By layering these textures, you create visual interest and a tactile experience that resonates with the color palette, autumn hues. The color palette for autumn decor is rich and diverse, offering endless possibilities for creativity. Embrace shades of burnt orange, deep red, mustard yellow, and forest green. These colors can be incorporated through various elements in your home, from wall art to throw pillows. For example, consider painting an accent wall in a warm terracotta hue to serve as a backdrop for your autumn decor. Additionally, swapping out summer cushions for ones in vibrant fall colors can instantly refresh your living space. The Harvest centerpieces. A stunning centerpiece can be the focal point of your autumn decor. To create a harvest-inspired centerpiece, gather natural elements such as small pumpkins, gourds, and seasonal flowers. Arrange these items in a decorative bowl or a rustic wooden crate to capture the essence of the harvest. Incorporating candles can also add warmth and a soft glow to your table setting. For added flair, consider using metallic accents like gold or copper in your centerpiece, which can enhance the luxurious feel of autumn. This centerpiece not only serves as a beautiful decoration but Incorporating autumn scents. The scents of autumn are just as important as the visual elements of decor. Incorporating fragrances into your home can enhance the seasonal ambience and evoke cherished memories. Consider using scented candles, essential oil diffusers, or potpourri that features notes of cinnamon, apple, and pumpkin spice. Place these fragrant elements in key areas like the living room, kitchen, and entryway to create a welcoming atmosphere. Not only do these scents uplift your space, but they also contribute to a sense of comfort and nostalgia that defines the fall season. Seasonal wreaths and garlands. Wreaths and garlands are classic decor pieces that can seamlessly enhance your autumn aesthetic. A beautifully crafted wreath adorned with dried leaves, berries, and seasonal flowers can serve as a stunning focal point for your front door. Alternatively, consider creating garlands to drape across mantels, tables, or even staircases. You can use natural materials like twine, pine cones, and dried foliage to make your garland unique. These decorative elements not only add a touch of autumn but also welcome guests into your home, setting the mood for the season ahead. Autumn-inspired art and crafts. In addition to traditional decor, consider incorporating autumn-inspired art and crafts into your home. This can be as simple as displaying framed prints of fall landscapes or creating your own artwork using leaves and natural elements. Engaging in DIY projects can be a fun way to bond with family while bringing the spirit of autumn into your space. For example, try creating leaf rubbings or pressed leaf artwork to frame and display. This not only adds a personal touch to your decor but also fosters a sense of creativity that aligns with the season's themes of growth and change. Outdoor elements indoors. Bringing elements of the outdoors inside is a wonderful way to celebrate the beauty of autumn. Consider collecting colorful leaves, acorns, or pine cones during a nature walk and using them as decorative accents. Placing these natural treasures in clear glass vases or bowls can create an elegant and earthy display. Additionally, using potted plants such as chrysanthemums or ornamental cabbages can infuse your home with color and life. This connection to nature not only enhances your decor but also promotes mindfulness and appreciation. Lighting for a cozy atmosphere. As the days grow shorter, the right lighting becomes essential for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Swap out bright, harsh lighting for softer, ambient options that enhance your autumn decor. Consider using warm-toned light bulbs, string lights, or lanterns to provide a cozy glow. Candles are also a perfect addition to your decor, not only for their light but for the fragrances they bring. Arranging multiple candles of varying heights on your dining table or coffee table can create an inviting ambience for gatherings or quiet evenings at home. Conclusion: celebrating autumn at home. As we embrace autumn, our homes can reflect the beauty and richness of this season through creative decor ideas that bring nature indoors. From natural textures and warm color palettes to seasonal centerpieces and scents, every element contributes to a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Engaging in DIY projects, using outdoor elements, and enhancing lighting can further enrich your space, making it a sanctuary during the fall months. We hope these ideas inspire you to celebrate the essence of autumn in your own home. If